Our topic is Simpson's 1/3 rule for calculating area. So the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule is area is equal to 1/3 times the distance times y sub first plus 4 times y sub odd plus 2 y sub even plus y sub last. Okay, so that's our formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, area D is distance, y sub 1 is the first measurement, y sub n is the last measurement. Y sub odd is the sum of odd measurements. And y sub even is the sum of even measurements. Okay, y is the height. Okay, so again, distance is d, y sub 1 the first measurement, y sub n the last measurement, y sub odd is equal to the sum of odd measurements, and y sub even is equal to the sum of even measurements. Y are the heights. Okay, so Simpson's rule is a formula that does not involve integration and can be used to approximate the area of an irregular shape by taking equally spaced measurements of the height of the shape. The area of the shape is broken into equally sized strips of width, and they are known as subintervals or the distance. Okay, let's have an example. Example, given the value of n is equal to 10 of the irregularly shaped figure, and the height values from y sub 0 to y sub 10. Here is the table and the list of the height values from left to right. Okay, let's illustrate the given example. Okay, so the first measurement up to the last measurement. Okay, so let's compute. Okay, y sub 0, y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3, y sub 4, y sub 5, y sub 6, y sub 7, y sub 8, y sub 9, and y sub 10. So, y sub 0 is 10 meters. The height of y sub 1 is 11. Here. Y sub 0, 10. Y sub 1, 11. Y sub 2, 12 meters. Y sub 3, 11 meters. y sub 4, 6 meters, y sub 5, 7 meters, y sub 6, 4 meters, y sub 7, 8 meters, y sub 8, 4, y sub 9, 3, y sub 10, 0. And the 3 here, 3 meters, is the distance or the sub-intervals. Okay? So, again, the formula is area 1/3 times distance times y sub 0 plus 4 y sub odd plus 2, the sum of the height values of even measurements, and the last measurement. Okay, so let's substitute the values. 1/3 times 3, or the distance, y sub 0, 10, plus 4, so the y sub odd is y sub 1 plus y sub 3 plus y sub 5 plus y sub 7 plus y sub 9. Okay, so I'll just write the values here. 11 plus 11 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3. Next, plus 2. So, the even measurements. So, 2 times y sub 2 plus y sub 4 plus y sub 6 plus y sub 8. So, I'll just write the values here. 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. And the last measurement, which is 0. Okay, so the total is 222 square meters.